Welcome to English class. This is your teacher Shalinigupta is going to teach you some sounds. So, sound time. Sounds of INK, 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 ink sound. Then we will do it sound, it sound. Then we'll do I sound. What we will do? I sound. Say with me. Ink, I'd, ice. Okay? Let's understand with few more examples. Ink sound. Ink, pink. You know now? Pink is a color. Is the name of a color. This is my favorite color. Ink, sink, where we wash our hands or we can wash our utensils also. So, ink, sink. Next word. Ink, link. Link मतलब connection, जुड़ाव, जुड़ना, link. Ink, link. Then, ink, blink. See what I am doing? I am blinking my eyes. मतलब अपनी eyes को blink करते हैं. This is blink. Blink मतलब डब 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 करना. Blink. Okay? Ice sound. See the words? Raw ice, rice. Read it with me. Raw ice, rice. We eat rice na? Ice, mice. Say with me. Ice, mice. Mice होता है female rat. Ice, lice. Ice, lice. जो बालों में हेयर्स में गंदी गंदी जुएं हो जाती हैं, in English we call it lice. Then ice, dice. Say with me. Ice, dice. Dice जो हम लूडो में यूज करते हैं नंबर्स के लिए, that is dice. So this is ice sound. Sound is I'd sound. I'd sound. Read it with me. I'd ride. I'd ride. Ride like we used to ride on horse, or we used to take a ride on cycle, or any any slide or ride, whatever. Okay, then I'd tide. I'd tide.
Tides are high water waves that rise in sea. लंबी लंबी पानी की लहरें.
I'd side. Side मतलब side से. I'd side. Then I'd glide. Say with me. G-L, I'd glide. So, this is I'd sound. Okay? I hope all these three sounds are clear to you now. Practice, read it properly and write it. Okay? Thank you. Bye.